But what exactly are breakthrough cases? Why is that happening? And how should you be thinking forward in this upcoming festival season is what we'll tell you. First up on the Explainer, we'll talk about the first sublineage of the Delta variant that is now becoming a cause of concern. We'll tell you about AY.12. This is said to be a sublineage of the Delta variant, but why should you be bothered? Because this sublineage of the Delta variant known as AY.12 has been detected in a number of states in India and is most likely the cause of the latest COVID surge as well, not just in the country but in Israel as well. Well, according to a weekly bulletin by the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortium, which is basically a consortium of several labs which are doing this sequencing across the world really, they have said that the Delta variant continues to affect people around the world, with Israel seeing new cases rising in the near previous highs, despite, and that's important, about 60% of their population being fully vaccinated. This consortium of 28 national laboratories set up in December of 2020 to monitor the genome variations of SARS-CoV-2 that causes that's COVID-19 basically, and the various frequencies the sequences that are coming out of it as well. The Pan-India network, it functions under the Union Health Ministry. In fact, previously it had described this new sublineage that we are talking about of the Delta as AY.4. However, after reevaluation of the mutations that define this variant, it has been classified, given a new name. But what exactly is this? Now, fundamentally, the viral evolution works like any other kind. As viruses spread through the body, it makes copies of itself, which often have small mistakes and changes. As such, the Delta variant, the full form of which was, remember, B1.617.2, that had given birth to several other variants as well. We had discussed Delta Plus variant in an earlier episode of FYI as well, that bear most of its characteristic mutations but are different in other ways. One of these is the one that we are talking about right now. It is a dominant lineage is what the experts are saying. Even in Israel they are talking about it, and one that is reclassified as a Delta sublineage. However, its rapid growth in Israel alone means that it should be examined further. This is what that consortium is talking about. In fact, they took out several other variants of that within the Delta variant to try and see, is this any different? Is this going to be the next thing or next variant that will cause that much talked about third wave in the country? However, at this time, none of these sublineage, important to note, have been found to have any growth advantage over the Delta patent, as it were. But how is this different from Delta? Well, according again to the same consortium, it is not known yet whether AY.12 is clinically different from the Delta variant, but further the consortium said that functional impact of the changes between Delta and AY.12 is not known, but the two appear very similar in their molecular level. And however, it has lost some of the mutations since the Delta lineage, and the spike protein there are some minor changes over there. However, the rapid growth in Israel means that it should be examined further. At present, the most dominant strain in Israel is this AY.12. 51% of the samples studied there have shown the prevalence of this variant based on the number of sequences that have so far been uploaded on the research groups there. The prevalence of this variant over the last week also increased to over 20%. In fact, Outbreak.org, which tracks these new variants and their prevalence based on the data uploaded on these websites, estimate that since the beginning of the pandemic, 1,504 samples of AY.12 have been uploaded from India alone, which is 4% of the total variant samples that India is collecting at this point. The first sample in India dates back to the 7th of September 2020. So much talk has been done about this variant, about several other emerging as well. There's another C variant which is now being talked about, said to be much more sort of infectious than